Okay, so if you've been scrolling social media lately, you'll know that there is a bunch of these TikToks and Reels that are always trying to sell you something, whether it be watches or brands or clothes or literally anything you can think of. And quite surprisingly, those types of videos are doing extremely well. That's why in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make those types of videos using Filmora. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Okay, so the first thing I want to talk about is firstly going to be, what are you trying to sell? Are you trying to make a theme page on something, or do you have your own product that you want to sell? Because all of this you have to take into consideration when you start to create content like this. I mean, if you have your own product, then it's very simple. Just point a camera and shoot it. If you don't have the product in hand and you simply just want to make a theme page, well, then you have to do some searching of viral clips and viral sounds of that product. But once you have all the clips and all the sounds that you want to use, then you can finally go into Filmora and start editing. So let me walk you through how would I personally do it. Okay, so I'm open right now in Filmora, and if I wanted to make like a theme page for, let's use the example of a watch that you want to sell. So firstly, what I would do is I would go to stock media and then to pixels, which is simply just one of the best places to get free stock footage. And then you can simply search for whatever you want. So you can go men's watch and then simply press on videos, or depends on really what do you want. Okay, so basically here is a bunch of footages of watches and people driving and working with watches. So this obviously already creates a type of brand of like, okay, if you wear this watch, you're like really into work, or you're really rich, or whatever you're trying to sell. Like if it's a smartwatch, then you have a completely different approach. But because I'm going to use the example of a classy dress watch, then it really goes with working and money and all of those things. So let's just download a couple of them. Okay, so I've downloaded some random clips of watches. Now let's put it all together. Now obviously the first thing you want to do is go onto Instagram or TikTok or whatever and find some trending audios, but luckily I have a few already. Okay, so let's just simply put in the audio. Okay, so the reason I went for this audio, Skyfall obviously, is because this audio obviously links with James Bond and Omega watches, so that's why this is gonna work perfectly with the watches that I got in the videos. So let's just drag in a couple of them. Okay, so now here you can put in whatever you want in the front to make it like a hook. So you can say something like buy two get one free, buy two watches and you get the third one free, or anything that you have on special or you're trying to sell, you can put that at the front of the clip. And then to make it more interesting, simply double press on the clip, and then you want to go to right here, the crop tool, then you need to go pan and zoom, and then you simply just put it like that. So then it kind of like zooms out, makes it way more interesting. So yeah, this is just a rough edit of how I would personally, if I had to sell or market something, I would kind of go down this route. Now, as I said, if you already have the watch with you and you can know how to film stuff, then it's perfect. Okay, so there you have it. Now that was an extremely brief explanation of how to make these marketing viral shorts or reels on Filmora. Now obviously Filmora has so much AI features to offer, like you can do text to speech where you can use that viral AI voice. Go check out this video if you want to know how to do that. But yeah, if you have any further questions, please just drop in the comments and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.